Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to talk about a device that pushes the boundaries of smartphone innovation, the Honor Magic 7 Pro. As we explore this device, you'll see how it masterfully blends cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and performance-driven features to redefine what we expect from a flagship smartphone. Design and display. Let's begin with its design. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is nothing short of a visual masterpiece. Crafted with precision, it boasts a sleek and futuristic form factor. Its symmetrical curves and ultra-slim bezels create a seamless feel in hand, premium in every way. At the heart of the experience is its 6.81-inch AMOLED display. With a high refresh rate of 120 Hz and Quad HD Plus resolution, this display delivers vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and fluid visuals. Whether you're gaming, watching high-definition videos, or simply scrolling through your feed, the display is a visual treat. Camera innovation. Now let's talk about something that truly sets the Honor Magic 7 Pro apart: its camera system. This device comes equipped with a powerful quad-lens setup, featuring a main 50MP sensor, an ultra-wide lens, a periscope telephoto lens, and an advanced TOF sensor for depth. Night mode has seen a significant upgrade. Low-light photography is crisp, detailed, and surprisingly noise-free. The AI enhancements in the camera software help in recognizing scenes, adjusting lighting, and capturing shots that look professional with minimal effort. Performance. Under the hood, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Ultra processor, one of the most advanced chipsets on the market. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, this phone handles multitasking, gaming, and high-performance applications with absolute ease. And for gamers out there, this device is a beast. Thanks to the GPU Turbo X technology and an efficient cooling system, even the most demanding games run buttery smooth, with no throttling or heating issues. Battery and charging. Now, let's not forget the battery. The Magic 7 Pro houses a 5,850 mAh battery, offering more than a full day of intensive use. And when it's time to recharge, the 100W super fast charging technology can get your phone from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. That's not just fast, that's game-changing. Software experience. The Magic 7 Pro runs on Magic UI, built on the latest Android version. It offers a clean, responsive user interface with smart features like multi-window support, enhanced privacy tools, and customizable options that make the phone uniquely yours. Security and extras. From an in-display fingerprint scanner to advanced facial recognition, Honor ensures that security meets convenience. Plus, with features like dual stereo speakers, NFC, 5G support, and Wi-Fi 6E, the Magic 7 Pro is future-ready in every sense. Conclusion. To sum it up, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is not just another flagship, it's a statement. A statement of what happens when innovation, design, and performance come together. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a mobile gamer, a content creator, or simply someone who values a great phone, the Magic 7 Pro delivers on all fronts. Thank you for your time. And if you haven't experienced the Magic 7 Pro yet, I highly recommend you check it out. The future of smartphones is already here, and it's in your hands. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.